When it comes to taking notes, there isn't necessarily a right way or a wrong way to do it, so you're free to do it however suits you. But one of my favourite methods to make it a little bit less overwhelming is the Cornell method. So to start off with, you want to split up your page into sections so it will look a little something like this. So to help with organisation, this top bit here is where you put a title, so just where it says header. So this is where you could put either the module name, the subject area, anything that's going to help you organise your notes better. So in this column here, we have the Q column. So this is where you want to put any keywords, main ideas, key concepts, and you can also define them here as well. This will really help when you look back over your notes. So this next section here is likely to be the biggest section of your notes. So this is where you'll be actively taking notes during your study session. It can be really easy when you're taking notes to just write everything down, and that's where this section at the bottom comes in really handy. So this is the summary area, and this is where you want to summarize your notes, either after a study session or after each page. So you want to summarize what the notes are about and the key points in just a few sentences. Summarizing what you've learned in just a few sentences is a great way to practice active recall, which can really help when you're reviewing notes and when you're revising. One of the best things about this note-taking technique is that it can be tailored to exactly how you need it to be. So that could either be doing your notes on paper by hand and drawing up the table, or doing what I did and going onto Microsoft Word and building your own table. This means you can also include whatever sections you want that's relevant to you and your studies. Or if you want a pre-made template, you can go on Canva and type in on the template section a Cornell method template, and there's so many on there. Or if you use GoodNotes, they do have a free template you can use on there too. But one of my most important tips for note making is keeping them organized, whether it's in physical folders if you write notes by hand, or if it's keeping your digital files nice and tidy and organized. You can do it in whatever order makes sense to you, but it will really save you time when reviewing your notes. I really hope these tips help you on your online learning journey. If you'd like to see more tips just like these, then download our LearnDirect Community Hub app, where you can connect with other online learners.